pag ikaw ay nag-avail ng aming new Empowered Consumerism Package na nagkakahalaga ng 8,999. Because magiging parte ka na ng marketing program ng Empowered Consumerism Campaign. Take note, I will be explaining now kung ano ang marketing plan ng Empowered Consumerism. Kailangan mo lang maintindihan ay mayroong 4 na compensation plan under our marketing program. Number 1, meron kaming tinatawag na binary program. Number 2, we have the unilevel program. Number 3, the stair-step program. And number 4, our new and improved compensation plan. Ang tawag namin ay UniPay Plan or UPP. Mga bagay na ito ay isa-isa kong ipapaliwanag. Una, pag-usapan natin ang binary program. Ang binary program, ang kailangan lang alalahanin, ay kailangan mong gumawa ng 2 grupo. One on your left and one on your right. Kaya siya tinawag na binary because every time na meron kang prospect na mare-recruit at ilalagay mo sa kanan o sa kaliwa, ikaw ay kikita. Paano? For example, ikaw ay nakakuha ng kaibigan mo para sumama sa AIM Global at siya ay nag-sign up at bumili ng new global package natin na 8,999. Pag siya ay bumili, kikita ka ng tinatawag naming direct referral bonus na nagkakahalaga ng 700 pesos. For illustration purposes, let's say itong kaibigan mo ito ay nilagay mo sa kaliwa at siya ay nag-sign up, bumili ng 8,999, kikita ka ng 700 as direct referral bonus. And at the same time, dahil kailangan mo mag-develop ng 2 grupo, kumuha ka ulit ng kaibigan mo at inilagay mo naman siya sa kanang bahagi ng iyong grupo. As soon as siya ay bumili ng global package natin na 8,999, ikaw ay kikita ulit ng direct referral bonus na 700 pesos. Always remember na every time you get a sign-up of a new distributor na mag-avail ng 8,999, may direct referral bonus ka na 700 pesos. Ito ay walang hangganan. The more prospects you have, the more they will buy the new global package, ikaw ay laging kikita ng 700 pesos. Now, another way to make money in the binary program is what we call the match sales bonus. Ibig sabihin, every time na may match sales between your left group and your right group, kikita ka. For example, may nag-join sa'yo at bumili ng global package on your left at may bumili sa'yo ng global package on your right, kikita ka ng 1,800 as match sales bonus. You are right. 1,800 for every 1 match sales bonus. So, paano iyon? Ladies and gentlemen, binary program allows you to make money by just having a direct registration under your left and under your right. Because ang system namin, nakaka-detect ng points every time na may pumapasok sa left side at every time na may pumapasok sa right side. For example, one of the many ways para magkaroon ng matches is this. Every time na may global package sa kaliwa and every time na may global package sa kanan, that's 1,200 points each. Meron kang 1,800 match sales bonus. Every time na merong global package sa kaliwa and product reorder sa kanan na worth 1,200 points, that's another 1,800 match sales bonus. And finally, every time na may product reorder na worth 1,200 points dito sa kaliwa and another 1,200 points na product reorder dito sa kanan, that's another 1,800 match sales bonus. Now, the exciting part is this. Sa lahat ng mga new distributors, sa entry level, ang maximum na pwede nyong kitain per day is 1,800 at 8 cycle, which means 1,800 at 16 matches per day. That's equivalent to 28,800 per day or equivalent sa 864,000 pesos per month. Ang maganda nito, pwede mong palakihin ang income mo by upgrading. Paano mo gagawin to? If you're a new distributor, nasa entry level ka, gusto mong mag-upgrade, kailangan mo lang bumili ng 2 points personal reorder. Which means, bibili ka ng mga product, no time frame, ng personal use mo na aabot sa 2 points equivalent and then from 1,800 at 8, 8, or 16 matches per day, pwede kang kumita ng 1,800 at 10, 10, or 20 matches per day, which means pwede kang kumita ng 36,000 pesos per day or equivalent to 1,080,000 per month. Napakalaking halaga ng pwede mong kitain dito sa Alliance in Motion. Mag-e-enjoy ka ng 1,800 match sales bonus on your first pair up to your 800 pair. As soon as ikaw ay magkaroon ng 800 pairs and beyond, ang magiging match sales bonus mo na ay 1,500 match sales bonus. Which means, at 1,500, ang magiging matches mo maximum per day will be 32 matches per day. So that's about 1,500 pesos times 32 matches per day, which is equivalent to 48,000 pesos per day or equivalent to 1,440,000 per month. Yes, that's 1,440,000 per month. Ang exciting part ng binary program na ito is that you get your commission or you get your payout on a daily basis. Yes, you heard me right. Ang commission na ito na galing sa binary, whether this is direct referral bonus or match sales bonus, ay nakukuha ng daily. Kaya naman ang AIM Global nakakuha ng award in terms of innovation because we are the only network marketing company that pays on a daily basis. Ayan ang ating binary program. Second, we go to our Unilevel program. Ang Unilevel ay nakabase sa product reorder or product movement ng grupo. Ang basis ng commission nito ay every time na meron kang personal recruit or ang tawag natin may placement, meron kang 5% on your first level plus another 5% as placement, then 5% up to the 10th level of your generation. Which means, lahat ito ay nakabase sa product reorder or product movement ng grupo. So that's our Unilevel program. Now we go to the stair-step program. Ang stair-step program ay katulad din ng Unilevel na ang basehan ay product reorder or product movement sa grupo. Stair-step program ay nakabatay sa points ng mga produkto. Ito ay mga baitang. For example, as a new distributor, tatawagin ka namin distributor sa aming stair-step program. As soon as ikaw magkaroon ng 10 points product reorder under your group, you will be promoted to Silver Executive. At pag ikaw ay Silver Executive, magkakaroon ka ng 10% rebate sa lahat ng mga personal purchases mo. Rebate means may babalik pa sa iyong komisyon every time na bumibili ka ng product under your name. Pag ang grupo mo naman, umabot ng 100 group sales down the line, ikaw ay mapopromote sa tinatawag naming Gold Executive. And as soon as you become a Gold Executive, you get 20% rebate on all your personal purchases. And as soon as your group accumulates 1,000 group points or 1,000 group sales, ikaw ay magiging global ambassador and you will have a personal rebate of 30% sa lahat ng mga personal purchases mo. Not only that, under this program sa stair-step, meron tayong tinatawag na overriding commission based on rank differential. Pag sinabing rank differential, every time na ikaw ay aangat or mas angat ng isang baitang o mas maraming baitang kesa sa downline mo, ikaw ay may tatawaging overriding commission. For example, ikaw ay naging Silver Executive at meron kang downline na new distributor, 10% ang iyong rebate, ang new distributor, wala pa siyang rebate, so meron kang 10% sa lahat ng group sales ng new distributor mo. When you become a Gold Executive, you get 20% rebate, and pag na-downline ka na naging Silver Executive, meron siyang 10% rebate, rank differential of 20 minus 10, you get 10% overriding commission sa lahat ng downline mong Silver Executives at 20% naman sa lahat ng downlines mong new distributor. When you become a global ambassador, you get 30% personal rebate at pag may downline ka na naging Silver Executive, rank differential, 30 minus 10, you get 20% overriding commission sa lahat ng Silver Executive downlines mo. At pag ikaw naman ay naging Global Ambassador, 30%, at nagkaroon ka ng downline na Gold Executive, siya ay 20%, rank differential ulit, 30% minus 20%, you get 10% overriding commission sa downline mo na Gold Executive down the line. Now, the best part about our stair-step program, nag-innovate kami ngayong 2020 because ikaw, kahit kapantay mo ng level, ang iyong downline, may kikitain ka pa rin. For example, Silver Executive ka, may downline ka ng Silver Executive, pareho kayo ng rank, you still get a particular commission. As soon as ikaw maging Silver Executive Prime, kikita ka ng 3% sa downline mo na Silver Executive din, at hindi lang sa kanya. Up to the second level, may 3% ka sa buong grupo nila, group sales. Same goes for the Gold Executive position. Pag ikaw, Gold Executive, may downline ka na Gold Executive, as soon as you become a Gold Executive Prime, kikita ka ng 5% sa first generation Gold Executive mo at sa buong grupo niya. And not only that, you will also make 5% from your second generation Gold Executive at sa buong grupo niya. Which means, pag ikaw ay Gold Executive Prime, you get 5% overriding commission from your first level up to the second level Gold Executive. And after the Gold Executive, we go to the Global Ambassador we call the royalty income. Which means, pag ikaw naging Global Ambassador at may mga direct downlines ka na naging Global Ambassador din, you get 2% from your first level Global Ambassador up to the 5th level Global Ambassador. Which means, as a Global Ambassador, meron kang 2% from your first level up to the 5th level of your Global Ambassador downlines. At ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa pang-apat na compensation plan. Tapos na tayo sa binary, tapos na tayo sa unilevel, tapos na tayo sa stair-step, and meron pang tinatawag na UPP or Uni-Pay Plan Program. Ito po ay bahagi din ng tinatawag nating reorder or product movement sa buong grupo. You just imagine na malaki ang grupo mo at ipe-payout ng company based on product reorder, lahat ng gumagalaw sa buong grupo mo, may commission ka. From your first level up to the third level under the UPP program, meron kang 5%. From your fourth level up to the 8th level, meron kang 4%. And from your 9th level to the 15th level, meron kang 3%. From your 16th to the 17th level, you get 4%. And finally, from your 18th level to the 20th level, meron ka pang 5%. Yes, you heard me right. Under the UPP program, ang komisyon o kita mo ay from first level to the 20th level. At ito ay may tinatawag na same name compression. Which means, ginagawa ito para lumalim pa further ang inyong kikitain sa mga downlines ninyo. Just take note, the Unilevel program, stair-step program, and UPP program, lahat ito ay tinatawag natin commission based on reorder at ito ang tinatawag na passive income sa network marketing. Because as soon as there are product movements, as soon as may gumagamit ng product, bumibili ng product, nagbibenta ng product, under your group, we pay you 3 ways. Number 1, the Unilevel program. Number 2, the stair-step program. And number 3, the UPP program. Kaya power na power ang marketing plan na ito. Now, the exciting part about our Unilevel, our stair-step, and the Uni-Payout plan is that ang commission na ito ay makukuha nyo every 15th day of the month. Which means, ang binary, pwede siyang makuha on a